Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here to show you how to use this free AI tool to bring photos to life. In this example, I'm going to make two controversial rivals bury the hatchet. But if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video. And with that being said, let's get started. To start, navigate to your App Store or Play Store and download the Pic Collage app. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Under the Grid section, select the Dual Vertical Grid Layout. Tap in the empty space and select Photos and Videos. Select the two photos that you want to interact with each other. Then, select the check mark at the top right. Tap Done at the top right corner. Then, tap Save to Album. Now go to your web browser and enter KlingAI.com. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for a free one. Once you're signed in, tap AI Videos. Now, tap Select Image and use the Photos library to browse for the image you've saved from Pic Collage. In the prompt box, type what you'd like to see happen in the photo, then tap Generate. Each video generation will cost 20 credits, but you'll start off with around 400 credits, so you'll have plenty. When your newly animated photo has finished being generated, you can choose to regenerate without being charged any extra credits if you don't like how it came out, or if you're satisfied, you can save your animation, but if you don't have a paid membership, it will save with a watermark. There you have it. You now know how to use AI to achieve world peace.